Hello friends, my name is Vanshika Gurjar and welcome to our YouTube channel of RMC Elite. So today we will talk about study in Italy. So the main question is, why study in Italy? So firstly we talk about the country. Indian culture is deeply rooted in Asian civilization which overrized on the peninsula for over a millennium and left their imprint all over the country in arts, legal system and traditions. Today Italy ranks among the 8 most industrialized countries in the world. Alongside big companies, state owned and private, it has developed a sound network of small and medium sized enterprises, promoted scientific parks and fostered basic and applied research in a wide variety of fields such as biology, medicine, physics and space scientists. The 20 Nobel Prize laureates since 1906 proved the world recognition of the achievements of Italian scientists, physicians, chemists, literature, men and economists who excelled in the spheres including medicine, chemistry, literature, and economics. How is the education system in Italy? Academic calendar. The academic year is in Italy made up of 2 semesters. The first semester starts in September, October and ends in January, February. The second semester starts in February and ends in July. The actual start and finish dates will vary in the different universities, but each semester lasts around 20 weeks and is made up of a technological period around 14 weeks, and exam period lasts around 6 weeks, and teaching and learning. Most teaching still takes place in large lecture halls, but this will depend very much on the single course of study. Students are also expected to carry out a considerable amount of self-study outside the classroom in order to prepare for exams. Assessment exams are held after the teaching period and are mainly oral exams, although some courses will have a written test taking places during the semester or before the oral exams. Each exams will have a number of dates offered during the exam period, and students can choose which date they wish to take the exam. They are also entitled to turn down a mark and take the exam again if they are not satisfied with the result. Rules apply as to how often a student can take an exam within an examination on period. Scholarship tuition fees are usually very low as most universities obtain public financial support. All international students are entitled to the same student assistance services as Italian students, including scholarships, dining hall services and housing. The Italian Ministry of Foreign Affairs also offers scholarship for foreign students wishing to pursue their studies in Italy. It is need-based scholarship issued by the Italian government, 5,200 euros offered for 1 year. It is extendable for the next year also. The part-time job opportunities is also available. Next point is the overall living cost for students in Italy range between 1,000 and 1,500 euro per month, including accommodation, food cost. So, if you also want to pursue your study from Italy, then visit RMC Elite, as it is one of the eminent organization helping you to select the best and suitable university for studies. Thank you.